Hi everyone, I have a super quick, easy, affordable, fun DIY today. So I've been obsessed with rings lately. I keep looking on Etsy for all the cool vintage and handmade rings and putting them on my favorites list and then not buying them, of course. That's how it goes, you know the drill. But I just wanted some fun rings, and so I'm always thrifting at the thrift store, so I decided to make some rings out of earrings and like some of these are pins, like pins you would put like on a sweater or whatever. And so I got all of my supplies except for a few of the rings from places like Goodwill, Value Village, like little thrift stores here and there. I gathered the supplies, and this DIY only takes 4 things. So you just need some rings, you need some earrings or charms from wherever, and I needed wire cutters to cut the backs off of the rings and pins, and then glue. I got some like jewelry glue. I'll link it below. I got it on Amazon. I did read in some places that you could just use super glue. So if you just wanted to use the stuff that you literally already have or only buy 1 or 2 things, you could try that out. So I ended up finding 5 different options to make rings out of. I found these super cute, like this super cute gold butterfly pin. I found some like clip-on, like vintage earrings. They're like oval with a blue flower on them. I found some cute earrings, the ones that are little daisies. I actually tried to wear them as earrings because they were so cute, but my ears are really sensitive, so sometimes earrings just don't work for me, and they were bothering my ears. So I decided to make them into the rings, and they turned out really good. You'll see in a minute. I got these little strawberry earrings, and I got 2 sets of them, and I thought these ones were going to be one of the easiest ones to make a ring out of, but they ended up being kind of the hardest one, and I would say they didn't really turn out because the little backs, even though I like clipped off the backs of them as close as I could, there was still this like little piece sticking out, so it was hard to like glue them on. So I would say the only one that wasn't a super success was the little strawberry ones, but I'd say 4 out of 5 working is a good percentage there. So when I glued each charm on to the rings, they didn't like glue down immediately. Like it wasn't like obviously like hot glue or even quite, I feel like super glue is even a little bit faster, so I really had to put it on and then hold it on for a while. And something that would have been really nice to have for this project would have been like ring holders or like a jewelry box where you can like put your rings down into to make them kind of stay up straight. I don't have anything like that, and so that was kind of hard. I had to like keep them upright in the little box that I had, which was kind of hard. So if you have anything to put rings into, that would have been really helpful. The rings that I got that were not thrifted, a few of them I got in just a packet at Walmart, just like cheap silver rings. Some of these rings are silver, some of them are gold. And if you wanted, like if you found charms that were like you absolutely loved and you wanted them to be even longer lasting, I was contemplating getting like sterling silver rings online, and I decided not to, but I will also link those below to the ones that I found that I think would work really well for this project. I would say that the ones that worked the very best was using the wider band, like I used with the butterfly one, and the butterfly charm was really nice because the back of it was really flat, and then the bigger ring, so I think that probably worked the best. The like pearl, like I don't know, like starburst one, that one also worked pretty good because it also had kind of a flat or even like kind of curved, like ring curve back. So those two I think will maybe last the longest. I'm curious to see how well these charms like stay on. They definitely seem like they're staying on pretty well, but I was thinking like I have the jewelry glue, so if one of them does pop off, I could probably just glue it back on. So we'll see how that goes. But this project ended up being really, really fun, and it opens up like a lot of possibilities for just fun little quick DIYs. You can make more rings out of earrings, you could make rings out of, if you find even charms on necklaces, or you could make earrings out of other charms, like a whole world of possibilities. So thank you for watching this one.